Imo is my father. So imagine the combination. Alright, you see, I am Chief Imo. Yeah, we're still filming. This is Aristotle. Arianya.
But we are Arianya, no one's Aristotle. Snap goat. That's Snapchat.
Foreign guy. Foreign guy.
Anyway, I'm Chief Imo. Onyekwe. Mwafi Imo State. Novel production, Novel Movies production. I am acting alongside with Mr Ibu. We're giving all our best to make sure you guys are entertained. We love you all and we pray that you support us in all we do. God will continue to support you. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Chief Imo Comedy. Follow me on Instagram at Chief Imo. Together, no dot, no slash, no bomb.
We have come to shoot a movie. We have not come to fight. There was no competition whatsoever. And whenever you are on location to shoot a movie, concentrate and do it. So that as the film comes out, it's coming out with your name and your ID. You will say, oh, may God bless that man. May God bless that woman. Do not act as if it as is somebody else. No. Do it as yours. So that when the time comes, you will do your job. As is.
My child is, I want to know the source of my children. God, why have you decided to punish me this way?
I know. You're welcome.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I hear you. You man buy
Go change.
those days na Lagos. Buy him from Jazzy. All right, this is Chief Imo. I believe you all know me very well. Today is the one of this very production, and so far it's been fun. It's been moving smoothly, and it's something different we're trying to cook this time around. So if you've not subscribed to our YouTube, fast and fasten your belt. Go there now and subscribe so you begin to enjoy all these good comedies we are putting together for families to smile after the day's stress and all the happenings around. At least you go into our channel and make yourself happy so that your stress will go away. I still remain Chief Imo worldwide, longinus and Okute. Follow me on Instagram at Chief Imo and on Facebook Oriako Longinus. Then you can as well do the following at Chief Imo Comedy. Subscribe. Day one.
Subscribe. If you don't subscribe, if you don't subscribe, if I catch you, if you don't subscribe, call them Bosoka. When they subscribe,
if I'm Megan, subscribe. Yes, Chief Imo. Love you.
subscribe or keep when we'll be angry. Our two said
Subscribe or because
subscribe.
To subscribe to Chief Imo Comedy. Are we there?
Bagam Chief Imo Comedy.
All the way.
Chief Imo Comedy.
All the way.
Subscribe.
There,
We are losing it.
You don't need to waste time.